Man, I'm in the fucking studio now, nigga. Try to wait to call us out. Huh? Been holding out. Huh? It's time to get in. Huh? Let me in where I fit in, nigga. Huh? See me on this motherfucking head-to-head, nigga. You know, motherfucking gang banging on wax. I'm really a Christian, nigga. Quit fucking with me, though. Quit fucking with me. I gang bang. That's what I fight in the street.
A straight proof, yeah. What would it take just to remove ya? Grindy out here on Hoover. Just to let you know what's criminal on mine. Consistent grind when the bills go up. I gotta grind, legal tenders stay on my mind. So I'ma go out and commit a few crimes and hope everything turn out fine. It's close to midnight and something evil lurking the door. Won't say I'm evil, but yeah, I'm ready to sport these dark time marks. My first to survive, avoid a hearse ride. Niggas scream, do or die. Really not ready to say goodbye. I can show you better than I can tell. Groove over, blow my Range Rover. Prophesize your loved ones turn over like a drop of a hat. Do devious smack, make your motherfucking skull crack with a big bang. Me and my crew, a straight proof, yeah. What would it take just to remove ya? Grindy out here on Hoover.
This what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people paid paper for, damn it. This that going to the gun range with the click, clack, pow. Aiming that boy from PG, but DC still claim him. And I ain't gotta act like I'm from there, I'm real. Some rappers, magicians, they trick you, they cap a field. Act tough as a gold medal, you link them, they daffodil. Meanwhile, I'm just running back, kick returns on the field. Where the Redskins be losing, but we gon' support them still. That's how you know where our loyalty at. So place a bet against me where your royalties at. I bet I leave your ass streamed of your 14%. Then fuck on your bitch, my dick name a tumble. I'm lit, I rub on the clit. She drip, then I come on the tits. How common is this to spit like a fucking attempt? I'm murdering shit. I flip, then I leave your ass flipped. I flip the script and skip to your fucking event. I take the check and dip, moments later it's spent. You take the check and shit, it's enough for your rent. So how the fuck you telling me that I ain't good enough? Trick. I think that I'm top 10, top 5, top 3, top 2, top 1, and I'm still not done. Trump supporters' daughters love me, so I still think we won. She on her knees for that black thing, no comp a nick, I comp the neck. Yeah. Bad man. Here's what you've been waiting for, ain't it? Yep. It's a portrait if you can see the picture painted. Right. I ain't gotta explain it. This lane I done paved it. Right. I done paid my dues, now I'm just collecting payments. One verse that's gonna be your whole life savings. If I was you, I'd be making funeral arrangements. True. These bars, I could leave your mind in enslavement. And hit you with the bar that I'm raising. I come in gun blazing. We gon' see you get the last laugh. Funny cause these niggas always tripping off the past. Think the shit a joke until somebody gets smoked, choked off the very words that they spoke. Listen here though, it's getting near close. About to blow your brains through your fucking earlobes. And this one, the kid been gone for a while, they missed him. Patient with the shot when he blast off won't miss.
Somebody gon' die tonight. Rappers see me but don't say shit like they don't have vocals. Then they be dissing on the socials like they don't have Pro Tools. They big you up until you're big enough. I guess the love was never real, as if I really give a fuck. I'm already 8 figures up. Y'all are in the minus, still I'm Willie Mays. Y'all still jumping out of bed for 50K. I roll back over and continue fucking all y'all's favorite. I'm the greatest, I'm not stopping until all y'all say it. Courtside closing multi-million-dollar deals. Then we celebrated, eat Italian $1,000 meals. I'm in Lake Como, you stay in NoHo. The haters promo, I play solo. Women take photos, ride me like they play polo. My crew solid, new problems, my day ones deserve 2 commas. A few dollars, moves nada, we still act the same, you nada. Part of the formula that put me here, so fuck you. When the second album drops, watch who they all run to.